All right, Nest Clan, let's go through some of the bioengineered food ingredients that you need to avoid. Now, listen, even if you do not eat these, just make sure that you tell your friends, family, and all your loved ones not to continue to consume these products because they cause a lot of health issues. Now, make sure that you watch towards the end. I know that most of this is the junk that you see when you first go in the grocery store, but it is on purpose. I went around the grocery store to show you guys all the products that are bioengineered now. Now, the sad part is that these same products are overseas in different countries and they don't even have a bioengineered food ingredient in them. It's sad that all of our normal, I'm supposed to be healthy and what you should be feeding your kid products contain these harmful ingredients that really cause a lot of health issues, especially in our children. We got to stop feeding them all of the cheeses, all the Pringles, even Ritz crackers. If your child or if you know a child that's struggling with autism and they want to eat Ritz crackers, try to find them a healthy alternative because these ain't it. The goldfish that they claim we supposed to be for our kids is filled with bioengineered food ingredients. I need you guys to understand that this is becoming an epidemic for our food. All of Campbell's, avoid. All of Pillsbury, avoid. All of Ortega, Pace, avoid. It is all bioengineered food ingredients. And if you like the queso cheese in the jar, I'm sorry, boo, to tell you, but it's bioengineered too. Even in our soy sauce, it's in our sauces. We basically gonna have to make everything from scratch. Try to avoid Prego. If it doesn't have non-GMO labeled, the non-GMO project, then it is bioengineered. Toll House, all of this stuff that you find in the stores that we are programmed to want to go get because our grandparents love is bioengineered. Even in the ice cream. Even in the ice cream is bioengineered. We have to do a better job with reading the labels of everything that we are used to buying because it has changed. Everything has been genetically modified. And please stop giving your kids pizza rolls and Hot Pockets. Make sure you tune in for the next episode. And don't forget to share this with your besties so they can stop buying their kids the bioengineered pizza, bioengineered Hot Pockets, and bioengineered pizza rolls. This was such a hard thing as a harsh reality for us as parents to have to realize. But make sure that you follow for more updates on bioengineered food.